In an online world of more of the same, creating differentiation is a must. While standing out, it can be tough. Blending in is often the kiss of death when it comes to social media success. Now, whether you like it or not, assumptions are being made right now about your business. Your product, your service, customer experience, and online presence, they're all factors in driving consumer perception. But your social media and online presence, it's so much more than just that. It's the brand you've created, including the reputation and relationships you've built over time. Everything from your conversations to your daily actions, the way you've treated your customers along the way, and of course, all of the super duper awesomeness that makes you so wonderfully and delightfully you. All of that is tied up into your brand perception. The challenge for most companies is translating these characteristics into a brand that attracts, engages, and inspires potential customers across social media. So before you can share what sets you apart and why your target audience should work with you, it's imperative that you identify your win. That's your who, issues, and needs. Now let me give you an example of what this looks like. Who are you speaking with on social media? That could be small businesses, maybe entrepreneurs or marketers. Now, what issues or problems do you solve? Maybe they don't have enough time. They don't have the bandwidth to get everything done that they need to. Maybe their budget just isn't there or they need more conversions. And then what are their specific needs when they come to you? Maybe they need to create more content. Maybe they need social media engagement. Maybe it's ease of use within your product or a long-term solution or a trusted solution. Let's take a minute to practice. I'd like for you to think about your win and write down 3 answers to each of these questions. These answers are going to become a driving force behind your social media content and the positioning of your marketing message. Doing this work in the beginning is really a critical piece, especially if you're currently working with clients. So I'm going to invite you to pause the video and take the time right now to do this work, rather than playing from behind and scrambling to put your win together down the road.